Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to add an employee directly, if it is not coming, through recruitment route and designation and position already created. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must be having rights to add an employee. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Personnel from your left-hand side menu. Click on Employee Form. Click on All. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen, to open the form. 1. If designation and position already created, then select salary grade against which grade this employee will be added. For example E5C, or create designation and position first using masters if not created. 2. Now select designation, for example Business Development Executive. 3. Select business unit or division, for example Beckett. 4. Now select function, for example sales. 5. Now select sub-function, for example sales. 6. And now select position. 7. Select title. 8. Now enter employee's name, join date and date of birth and submit. Software will give you message if this is a duplicate entry. 9. Now fill rest all the details of the employee. 10. Select zone. 11. Select cost center, if required. 12. Enter employee's offered salary. 13. Now select how you recruited this employee, for example through job site. 14. Now enter name of the job site, for example it is nowcreed.com. 15. Now enter employee's personal email ID, as I am putting here. 16. Now enter employee's father name. 17. Now select who will be employee's direct manager / supervisor / first level manager. Skip per second level manager will automatically be selected, because it is boss's boss. 18. Employee's notice period is coming here from masters, but if you want to change for this employee only, you can change it from here. 19. Employee's probation period is coming here from masters, but if you want to change for this employee only, you can change it from here. 20. Enter some notes here, if want to enter, for example I am entering it as budgeted. Hiring. 21. Uncheck if this employee will not participate in payroll or attendance or leave. Now click on Save icon. After saving, in the list you can see employee is on offer stage. In another video we will show you how move employee from offer status to current status. For this video, link is given in the description, or search how to move employee from offer status to Current.